Purchase your tracks today.
Drama City, Drama City, Drama City, Drama City.
The separation of talent and skill is one of the
Real nigga shit.
greatest misunderstood concepts for people who are trying to excel, who have dreams, that want to do things. Talent you have naturally. Skill is only developed by hours and hours and hours of beating on your craft.
I put my life up in the shit and I feel I'm rightfully fit. Tell myself to slow down, wipe my face and get a grip. No trust, so you know I keep that banger on my hip. Middle fingers to the sky, I know my haters fucking sick. These niggas try to wear my shoes, but them shits ain't even fit. Live my life by the rules, so to the streets I commit. So much stress every time you see me, I'm probably fucking lit. Niggas think my life is perfect, but it's not, I must admit. With this hammer in my hand, my nigga, I'm starting to trip. Got the mind of a predator, nigga, I'm feeling sick. You can see it in my eyes, I want the cash and that's it. But it's a struggle we're inside just to keep that shit legit. Never tripping on these hoes, while these hoes chasing dick. But I'm tripping on my nigga don't chase a chick. Some niggas don't know the game, so you gotta keep them hip. Anytime shit can change, so I keep extended clips, nigga.
Purchase your tracks today.
You gotta keep going, no matter the circumstances, no matter who's in your way. Oh, through the fire to the storm, let them know you finna do it right. You done figured out the game, some motherfucking right. All my winners, put your hands up. Only if you believe. 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 All my winners, put your hands up.
I know if I got it bad, somebody that got it worse. I just stay in my own lane, try to get to that shit first. Feeling like my life is cursed. I put my daughter in the earth and put my parents in the dirt and made some moves that really hurt. And still trying to make that shit work. In other words, I'm the jerk, but the joke was on me. That's when that shit really hurt. Couldn't shed a fucking tear, so I just left it with a smirk. But that feeling never left. In fact, that feeling still lurking. Every time I get mad, I got visions that I murk. Dreams of blood on my shirt, I leave a nigga in the dirt. Steady running from my past, but it's hard to convert. Inside my head, I'm going berserk. That's why I'm steady smoking perp, you know, to ease my fucking nerves. Cause they want what's yours, but I don't trust a single word. I just keep smoking my herb. When you see I hate this word, but don't never hit the curve. Read between the fucking words, but it's hard to come to terms.
When the going gets
Purchase your
tough,
tracks today.
you gotta keep going, no matter the circumstances, no matter who's in your way. Oh, through the fire to the storm, let them know you finna do it right. You done figured out the game, some motherfucking right. All my winners, put your hands up. Only if you believe. 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 All my winners, put your hands up.
That I see that
Purchase your tracks
is
today.
distinctly different about me is I'm not afraid to die on a treadmill. You might have more talent than me, you might be smarter than me, but if we get on the treadmill together, right, there's two things. You're getting off first, or I'm gonna die. It's really that